This is just a quick video tutorial about how to safely run a piece of material through the table saw. I have my material here and I want to cut off this veneer because it's been salvaged from an old piano. So the first adjustment I need to make is I need to raise or lower my blade so that this gullet in between the teeth just clears my workpiece. There's a hand wheel on the front of the saw. It has a locking knob in the middle, so you want to unlock that knob. And then as I turn this wheel, you see the blade goes up and it goes down. So I want to adjust my blade so that that gullet between the teeth just clears my workpiece. I want to make a cut that is 2 inches wide. So I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to come over to the blade and I'm going to put the 2-inch mark on my ruler inside the blade, on the side closest to the fence. Then I'm going to use this handle. I'm going to lift the handle up, and that lets the fence slide back and forth. I'm going to hold my ruler so that the 2 inches is on the side of the blade closest to the fence. I'm going to bring my fence over and lock it down by pushing down on the handle down here. So now I know that I'm going to make a cut that's exactly 2 inches wide. This is what the order of operations is going to look like. With my left hand, I'm going to hold my workpiece against the side of the fence. This hand will not travel with the workpiece. It's just there to hold the workpiece until it engages the blade. I'm going to put my push stick about 2/3 of the distance from my fence to the blade. Not right up against the fence, but actually out, about 2/3 of the way out. Then I'm going to start pushing my material through. When it leaves my left hand, I'm going to reach over and grab the corner of the table saw like that. The only reason I do that is that if I'm grabbing the table saw over here, then my left hand is not going anywhere near the blade. So I'm going to hold this against the fence, push the material in. As it leaves my left hand, I'm going to reach over and grab the other side of the table saw. I'm going to keep pushing all the way through until I get past the blade. I don't want to stop when my workpiece is between the blade and the fence. I want to go all the way through on that cut. Here's what that's going to look like. I'm not going to engage that piece until the blade stops completely. You notice that nothing's happening with it right now. If I wait for the blade to stop, then I can reach in and remove that piece. Sometimes you'll see people, as they finish their cut, come and try and kick that out of the way with the push stick. The problem with that is that sometimes when you do that, you can push it into the blade and it'll send it back at you as the operator. So we just let that offcut sit there and it'll be just fine till the blade stops spinning.